WASSCE style simultaneous equation together. Now, looking at this simultaneous equation, we can say that step one, right? Let's label the equation. Okay, let's label the equation. So the first equation, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, right? And then the second one will be x plus y is equal to 5. So this becomes your first equation, and this becomes what? Your second equation. Okay, now that we know that, bear in mind we are going to use the elimination method here. So for us to use the elimination method, we go to step 2. Okay, step 2. Now what do we do here? We will eliminate one variable by multiplying one of the equations. So we'll multiply equation 2. So here's a multiply equation 2 by 2. Okay, so let's multiply equation 2 together. That's 2x plus 2y is equal to what? 10. Okay, so that will be what? Our third equation. Okay, now let's go to our step 3. Step 3. Now for our step 3, since we are using the elimination method, we want to get rid of one variable. So we will say that subtract equation 3, right, from equation what? 1. Okay, so let's do that subtraction. So we are subtracting this equation from this. Okay, so 3x minus 2x. Okay, and then we'll have plus, okay, 2y minus 2y, okay, is equal to 12 minus 10. Okay, so we'll get an equation like this. And what do we do next? We make sure we simplify it. So 3x minus 2x will give us x, and then 2y minus 2y is 0, right? Is equal to 12 minus 10 is what? 2. So our x is equal to what? 2. Okay, now that we know the value of x, we can substitute it to get the value of y. So here we will say step 4. Okay, for step 4 we'll do substitute x is equal to 2 into equation 2. Okay, so the equation 2 is what? For equation 2, we have x plus y is equal to what? 5, right? So now let's put this value of x into the equation. So you realize that we will have 2 here plus y is equal to what? 5. Okay. Now after this, we will say our y is equal to 5 minus 2. Okay, we have moved the 2 to the other side, so it becomes negative. So our y should be equal to what? 3. Okay, so therefore we can say that the answer is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay, now you are not done yet. You have to make sure that the answer is correct, right? So what you do is that you substitute these values, the x is equal to 2 and the y is equal to 3, into equation 1. So step 5, substitute answers into equation 1. Okay, so the equation 1, right? I don't know if you remember, the equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Okay, so now let's substitute the answers into the equation. So we have 3, our x, the answer for x is what? 2. So put 2 here plus 2. Now the answer for y is what? 3 is equal to what? 12. Okay, now we have 3 times 2 will give us 6, plus 2 times 3 will give us 6 is equal to 12. Okay, 6 plus 6 is what? 12 is equal to 12. So we have 12 here and 12 here, which means that our answers were correct, right? If you have the number on the right side to be equal to the number on the left side, it means that your answer is what? Correct. So if you had this, clap for yourself. You have answered the question correctly. Thank you very much for watching. And please, if you did not understand anything, write it in the comment section and I will make sure I explain it further for you to understand it more. And if you have any questions you want to directly contact us to help you with, you can also message us. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.